Hey everyone, Hasan here. Today I'll show you some cool commands you can run in Termux to make your terminal more fun and useful. Let's start. First, install and use Toilet to print big, fancy text banners. Type this. See, it prints your text in big letters, like this. Next up, we have Figlet, which also makes big ASCII text. Install and try it. Shows a neat ASCII logo plus system info, OS, kernel, uptime, memory. Looks cool and informative. Gets you random quotes, jokes, or sayings. Fun to show on screen. Interactive process viewers showing CPU, memory, and running processes. Use arrow keys to scroll and press Q to quit. If you like these Termux tricks, hit like and subscribe. Tell me which one was your favorite. Want me to add voiceover tips or on-screen timing for each clip?